Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to get a shares on the TikTok. So how you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you will find a link in the description with the name of the GitHub. So you have to click on that link and you will see page like this. So once you will open it, you have to click on the code and click on the download zip and download this file in the zip format. And once it will download, the other link you may find in the description is the Python. So simply you have to click on that link and download Python software from here. Once you will do it, file is here. So after download it, install it in your PC. How you can install it? First of all, open it, go to the customize installation, click on the add 3.10 path, customize installation, and here you have to check it all. Now click on the next, and after that check all from here and click on the install. Okay, once Python file will install, click on the close, click window button and the R button from your keyboard and write CMD. After that, click on the OK. Once you will click on the OK, you will see this type of the interface. Simply go to your download and extract your file that you have downloaded from the GitHub. Once you will do it, you will see file like this. Simply copy this path and paste it right here and click on the here and write cd, and once you will do it, click on the enter. Once you will do it, you will see this type of the script. Right here you have to write python and space share bot dot py. Once you will click on the enter, this will work, and after that you have to paste the video you want to share on the TikTok. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.